Hi, welcome back everyone. In part 2, we turn a single column image into a full architectural render using Google Nano Banana inside Gemini. And then in here, now let's take it to the next level, like turning sketches, floor plans, and then real photos into 3D models and CAD drawings. So let's get started. First, let's try to turn sketch into a realistic render. If you got a hand sketch or a raw 3D screenshot, just upload it and then just type a prompt like this. First, just activate the Nano Banana and then upload your sketch like this, and then just type a prompt like this. But feel free if you want to change the prompt, just feel free to describe the look that you want. For example like this, and then just generate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, Nano Banana will transform your sketch into a photorealistic image like this. The lighting, the structure, and even reflections look like something rendered in maybe in Lumion or Inkscape, but here's it's instant. And then next you can keep editing by chat, like for example, add people and more. Like this, it feels like magic and it's all tech driven. And then next, let's turn the floor plan into a 3D view. Just upload your 2D floor plan like this, and then you can type a prompt like this. And then just generate. Yes, as you can see, the results are surprisingly accurate and it looks so cool. And then next, let's try to turn the image into a CAD lines. Just upload any architectural photo like this, and then just type a prompt like this. Like this, and then just generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will get a black and white drawing that looks like an actual technical sketch. And okay, that's the wrap for part 2 of the Nano Banana walkthrough. From sketches to renders, from 2D plans to 3D models. It's all possible. It's all possible inside Google Gemini with just a few prompts. Okay, if you found this useful, just drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.